Welcome back to another video. As you can tell, we're gonna be cooking together. Okay, so I had to get my energy out and drink me some applesauce. So we're gonna be having pork chops, mashed potatoes and gravy and corn. But baby girl, like, okay, listen, I want y'all to know, like, grandma taught me how to make homemade from scratch gravy, but she ain't got that type of time. Like when she be getting off from work, granted today, this particular day, she called off from work. But typically, she ain't got that type of time. Like, and I love grandma's homeschool, saying gravy. I love mine too. But no. So today we gonna have instant mashed potatoes, instant gravy. The only thing that's gonna be like cook is the pork chops. As you can tell, I'm getting the gravy on. I mean the oil and all that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, you guys. So this is gonna be. Oh, I gotta think of something. Wait. What should my cooking show be called? Hold on. Welcome. No, cooking with. Uh. Oh. I got it. Okay. This is gonna be like. Imagine this. Okay. It's gonna be on the Food Network channel, and it's gonna be called Cooking Like Grandmas. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm sick. Okay. Well, welcome to my show of Cooking with Grandma, Cooking Like Grandmas. Today we are going to have pork chops, mashed potatoes, and gravy and corn. And right here, you see me seasoning my pork chops. We do not like bland. We don't like bland food. So you want to season both sides. Oh, excuse my kid. She's nosy with her little two afro puffs. That's the oldest. That's Carter. I don't know about y'all, but I've been negotiating with my kids so they can stop crying. Like, what you want? What you want? Show me what you want. Okay, you can have it. Because I ain't trying to hear you crying. Like, she had two applesauce and now she wants some cheese. And listen, y'all can judge me if you want to. But I don't know what it is, but I just don't have the patience be here crying all day, especially when I just got off. Like I said, today I didn't go to work, but this is literally a normal day where I'm cooking dinner and I hear rather Coco Melon on YouTube and them crying, Carter and Kyler fighting over something, or because like they're really needy, so they just be crying like. Carter gets it like something like if she hurts herself, she's like boo boo, and you have to kiss it. If not, she's just gonna keep crying. Then if I kiss Carter, I have to kiss Kyler because they're in competition. Girl, oh my gosh, like this civil rivalry. I don't even want to know what it's like when they get older, cause baby, like having two under two, oh my gosh, it's stressful on a whole different type of way of stressful. But anyways, back to my cooking channel. We're putting the you want to make sure the oil is hot. And the way you make sure the oil is hot is that you take a little bit of flour and you just toss it into the grease. And if it starts to dissolve really fast, the oil is hot. And then you slowly, very slowly, put in the meat. And here goes another piece of cheese of negotiation, by the way. And once you put it in, sometimes some people, like myself, but I don't, with food, but when it's fries, I take the pan off of the stove or off of the heat so it don't do anything crazy. That's just a sidebar note. I don't even know what I'm about to do right here. I think this is where I'm about to put the corn. Yep, I'm girl. Listen, I'm putting the corn in the microwave because I don't have that type of time. And you know what's so crazy? Okay, so like when I first like got out of my grandma's house, like like started becoming my own young adult, my friend was like, "Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go use the grocery store app where they go grocery shopping for me and put the shit in my car." I was like, "Okay, like what? You don't even go to the grocery store? Like what? Like we that's so like quote unquote advanced? Like what?" And then it's like, girl, then she was talking about how she just popped shit in the microwave. I'm like, girl, what? Like we cook over here, what, bitch? I'm like, if I would pop this shit in the microwave, take me like 3-5 minutes to heat up everything and be done with it. Cause girl, I'm telling you, like, I'm not playing. Like, I'm damn near done cooking, and I'm only 27 years old. Girl, I have a lifetime of cooking ahead of me. But I'm just saying, like, with me working and cooking and being a mom and being a wife, that ain't about to happen. No, something gonna give. Cause I ain't about to be slaving. What did Raven Simone say? Like, uh, all you do is nag, nag, nag. I'm sitting over this hot stove. No, it's like I be sitting over this hot stove, and all you do is nag, nag, nag. It's not like I got ice. Is that what she said? I think it was like a Raven Simone episode. Don't judge me. She was talking to Eddie. I remember this. Okay, I'm a Disney kid. Anyways, um, Girl, you can see what. Oh, and right there, I'm just trying to make sure because that's gonna be the potato bowl, and I wanted to make sure that the potatoes could get into the microwave because that bowl was kind of big. And those are instant mashed potatoes, 3 bags. Oh, okay. Listen, y'all, judge me not, but I love "Made in Manhattan" by J Lo and "Glitter" by Mariah Carey. And I don't know why people don't like the movie Glitter. I really don't. I'm not even like a Mariah Carey like singer fan. No, I just love when I say love the movie Glitter. I do like. Oh my god, it's like I don't know, and then like Made in Manhattan. Like I love chick flicks, I really do. So yeah, judge me not, judge me not. And girl, dinner is almost done. I swear, I think that this took me in real life like 30 minutes. I feel like, and I shop at Kroger. I love Kroger's, and that's the instant what's gonna call it gravy. And I use what's that thing called? The brown and chicken flavor gravy. And that's what I do. Okay, girl, listen. Let me give you whatever. So if you want to make some gravy, some good ass gravy, this is what I do, okay? I go to GFS and I get the beef and chicken base, okay? And this is what you do. You get some oil and you get some flour and you make it into like a paste, right? And you put it over the top of the heat, over the stove. Let's just do medium high. And you let the flour cook so you get rid of the flour taste, right? At that moment, that's when I put all my seasonings in it because I feel like the heat will open up the seasoning or whatever, cool. And then you slowly, very slowly add in cold water. Start to mix that up, and then you add the beef and chicken base. So damn near this whole gravy mixture, just like you only add cold water, and it gets it right. And then I add a little bit of seasoning to it, so it can taste like grandma's gravy without it being the process of grandma's gravy. And boom, there we go. And that is dinner. Literally, I swear to God, y'all, it did not take long at all. Like I'm not even joking. And I'm about to show you what dinner looked like, girl. I'll see y'all later.